If you own a Samsung Galaxy A73, this week just got a lot more exciting. Why? Because your phone is about to get a powerful new upgrade, one that will take it all the way to Android 16 with Samsung's latest One UI 8.0. And yes, this is the final major update for your device, so let's dive into everything you need to know. The Galaxy A73 launched back in early 2022 with Android 12 out of the box. Since then, Samsung has been diligently rolling out updates: Android 13 with One UI 5.0, Android 14 with One UI 6.0, and just earlier this year, Android 15 with One UI 7.0. Now, the latest One UI 8.0 based on Android 16 is finally here. Currently, the One UI 8.0 update is available in select Asian countries: Malaysia, Thailand, the Philippines, and Vietnam. But if you're outside these regions, don't worry, the update should be rolling out globally soon. This update is hefty, over 2.5 gigabytes, so make sure to connect to a strong Wi-Fi network before downloading. You can check for the update by heading into your phone's settings, then Software Update, and tapping Download and Install. Once downloaded, hit Install Now, and your phone will reboot to complete the process. Alongside the big Android 16 upgrade, this update brings the September 2025 security patch, ensuring your Galaxy A73 stays protected against the latest threats. Plus, expect improved system stability, performance tweaks, and fresh features introduced with One UI 8.0. Important to note, this is the Galaxy A73's last major OS update. Samsung won't be providing future Android versions for this device. However, security patches and bug fixes will continue to arrive, so your phone remains safe and reliable. Thinking about upgrading? The Galaxy S24 FE and the upcoming Galaxy S25 FE are excellent choices. Both offer significant upgrades in performance, camera capabilities, and overall user experience compared to the Galaxy A73. So, Galaxy A73 users, make sure to grab this final major update and enjoy the latest Android 16 features. If you found this update rundown helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech updates, and ring the bell to stay notified. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.